It's cruise day. I'm so excited, and it's my husband's birthday. So we will be getting on that ship over there in just a little bit. We are about to leave the place, let the valet get our car. We've never done valet, so this is exciting. Get our car, and we'll head over there. Hopefully we will find the right place to go. We need Terminal F for Carnival Horizon. And also, see that little guy back there? It's his birthday. Happy birthday, Hubs. I hope you have a wonderful day.
I will.
See what we can get into.
excited.
All right, see you later. I am ready. I am excited. Let's go cruising. Woohoo! Here we go. There's the Hubs. We made it. This is so fun. So fun. So fun. Hi, you go this way? All right, thank you. Oops, going to the wrong side. Okay, here we go. Whoops, I'm leaving. I didn't see it because I saw him getting on at the other place. All right, Hubs, ready?
I'm
Happy
ready.
birthday.
I'm excited for this.
Happy birthday. Oh, this is so neat. This is so neat.
What else is there?
Oh, took my shoe off. Ooh, it's warm in here. Here we go. Get on a cruise ship. Makes me very happy. Hasn't been since last February when we were on Mardi Gras. Whoa. Getting a good little walkway here going on. Oh, I see the I see the Royal ahead. Here we go. Almost. No, it's okay. Here we go. Oh, this is the scary part. From here to the ship. Whoa. Are we ready? Are we ready? Yay! Hello. We made it. Finally get to see those. The atrium. Alright. Now we had to climb those stairs with our carry-on. We are headed to the muster station, A4. Can't film in the casino, so I'll see you guys later. And got me a piece of funfetti cake, a celebrate cake.
Okay.
Doesn't look like I thought.
I usually do
And chocolate chip cookie. I think this is an almond butter cookie. I'm not sure, but it looks good. And the guy's burger was great. Solid butter. Wow, what a view.
Please do so at this time. The quicker you do the symptom repeat, the quicker you can enjoy your prize. If you have any question regarding the location of your station,
There's the birthday boy. Hello, I'm sitting on the Lido deck on the back of Carnival Horizon with my big view of Miami. Lunch was great. Had a salad. 'Cause I don't know why, I just love salads on cruises. They're good. The hubs got me a guy's burger, but I like just eating the meat off of it. It's really good. Don't even have to dipping it in anything. It's really good. But anyways, we're just sitting out here in the very back of the ship, enjoying the sunshine. So I'm gonna get a view of what my view is. Hang on. Oh, Lordy. Waiting on the room to get finished. We just came to the end of the hall, sitting and waiting with our carry-on. Fun, fun. All right, they just opened the doors for us to go to our room. Hello. Hello. Excuse me. Is that your blue suitcase I see? Oh, it's a long haul. 8,300. We're almost there. We're 8,308.
Yes,
This is our room, 8,308. We have a little desk area. We came in and the TV was on. We have our bed. We have our cute little TV. This closet. And then we have a cute husband. Oh no, we gotta have to share the closet. It's not two like on the other. There's not a door over there. No.
That's it. Not quite as big as the last one.
No. And a little teeny tiny bathroom. It's bigger than I thought. Oh, we do have hand soap. Well, good. Small little shower. With the curtain. Little potty. There's where we stayed last night. You ready?
I'm ready for this.
Can't
Been
wait.
waiting on this for a year almost.
Yeah. Yeah, since Christmas.
Well, 9 months. Anyway.
Happy birthday, baby.
I got the beat right here.
I know. You can't see anything. Oh, there's the churning. Hey, Nations.
Hey.
You think we're ever going to get pulled out of here?
Well,
Get
I
a
saw
breeze
water
going.
churning a minute ago like we were pulling out, but now it looks like we're...
It's like it's over there, man.
Yeah, you can see we're barely moving away from the dock. Yeah.
Slow and steady. Like a turtle.
So we are on our way, even though it is slow at the moment.
2 days. We should be relaxed. Unless there's a hurricane out there.
They have relaxed that, that's why you don't like it.
They fixed to have a silhouette party. We stare at elevator Chris.
Well, they got a lot of people, ain't they?
I wonder if this is the one Tony and Don is on.
They have a few cruise ships.
Okay, my baby. I love you.
Oh, more slides. What's the name of this one? Is it Symphony or Harmony? Because it has the purple slide at the back.
Oh, well, maybe she put behind this car.
Oh, let me get another shot of Miami before it's too late. Man, it is so hot. Usually we go on a cruise, it's November through March, and it's freezing. Now we finally get to wear shorts and short sleeves. Oh, look at the people on that ship. Hi.
Still don't see them.
It'll be on the very front at the bottom, probably, if it wasn't on the very back. I see C's. Harmony. Is that the one Eli went on, or was it Symphony? Did Eli go on Harmony? It was Harmony or Symphony. It was one of the big. It doesn't look as big as I thought it would. It's a pretty shit. Look at Miami. It's getting darker. Oh, we got another little. Is this what you call an inlet? I guess. What? More islands. Yeah, these a lot of movie stars live on these islands, don't they? From what I read. You think they'll follow us out? It's not this color in Fort Lauderdale. Would you climb on those? Would you climb on them?
When I was younger,
I'd wind up missing. You know it. Okay, this is the Meridian dining room. We aren't having airtime dining. The system was having a glitch. We tried to check in at 5:30, and there was such a line upstairs that the lady told us to come to, that was the 4th floor, because it's the 3rd and 4th floor. Told us to come to the 3rd, and we got right in, and we are at table 438 at the back with a view. It's because it's my hub's birthday.
yeah, that's true.
That's what it is. Good luck. And I ordered the potato soup, the 12-hour braised ribs, and the sugar-free navel orange cake. And what did you order?
I had exactly the same thing, except for instead of the soup, I got a Caesar salad.
I'm probably gonna regret not getting the strawberry shortcake, but I had shortcake for.
No, you didn't.
I had the confetti. And who knows? We're eating early. We can eat as much as we
And
want.
we got 7 more days.
Oh my goodness! I'm gonna be as big as a barn. of the cruise. And look at that water. It's so peaceful. God, so peaceful. There's a cruise ship over there and storm clouds back there. I love it. Wow, look at that storm cloud. Movie time, they're showing Super Mario Brothers the first night, and then they're showing Flash. That's the one we're gonna watch, or The Flash. Hello, no, through my video, how the sunset's making them yellow. Wow, I bet some kids had a blast today on this. As hot as it was, I would go down the, this must be the one, that one over there. Yeah, I would go to the inner tube one, but I don't know about the other. Oh my goodness, that picture of that cloud is beautiful. And they're getting ready to watch the movie. These cute little red and white. This is Dr. Seuss's Waterworks. One fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish. Oh man, the water is so calm and so clear. Wow, that's so pretty. That is awesome. Okay. Look at that is the prettiest rainbow. Oh goodness. It just, that is so pretty. The rainbow, this water is so pretty. It's so clear, isn't it? Or not clear, calm. This is the front of the ship on the Serenity deck. It's pretty. Looks like at least we're sailing away from the clouds, headed to the prettier clouds. I want to stand up there and do a pirates thing.
We'll see how tough this Mario is when he watches me kill his brother!
Hello, that was day one of my cruise. Hope you enjoyed it. Tomorrow is a full sea day. There's no telling what we can get into, but I'll be more than happy to share it with you. Don't forget to give someone a smile today, and I will see you in the next video.